The Chaos. Dearest creature in creation, studying English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse sounds like corpse, core, horse, and worse. I will keep you Susie busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tyranny your dress you'll tear, queer, fair share, hear my prayer. Pray console your loving poet, make my coat look like new deer, suet. Just compare heart here and here, dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the latter how it's written. Made has not sound of bade, say said pay paid, laid, but played. Now I surely not plague you with such words like vague and egg. But be careful how you speak. Say gosh, bosh, stake, streak, break, bleak. Previous, precious, fuchsia, via, recipe, pipe, studding stale, choir, woven, oven, how in low, script, receipt, show, poem, toe. Say expecting fraud and trickery, daughter, laughter, antepascore, brunch, runch, missiles, topsails, aisles, missiles, similes, reveals, woolly, holly, signal, signing, same, examining, but mining, scholar, vicar, and cigar, solar, mica, war, and far. From desire, desirable, admirable, from admire, lumber, plumber, bear, but briar. Tapsham, brogum, renown, but known, knowledge, done, loan, gone, none, tone. 1. Anemone, Balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, German, wind and wind. Brew, kind, kindred, Q, mankind, tortoise, tortoise, camois leather, reading, reading, heathen, heather, with poetic labyrinth gave moss, gross, brook, brooch, ninth, plint. Have you ever endeavored to pronounce the revered and severed? Demon, lemon, goal, fall, soul, Peter, patrol, and patrol? Billet does not end like ballet. Bouquet, wale, mallet, shallot, blood, and flood are not like food, nor it mold like should and would. Banquet, not nearly parket, which exactly rhymes with khaki. Discount, viscount, load and broad, toward and forward to reward. Ricochet and crocheting, crochet. Right? Your pronunciation's okay. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and feigned, alive and leave. Is your R correct in higher? Keats asserts it rhymes. Thalia, you, but hug, and hood, but hoot. Buoyant, minute, but minute. Say abscission with precision. Now, position and transition, would it tally with my rhyme if I mentioned paradigm? 2 pence, 3 pence, teas are easy, but C's, crease, grease, and greasy. Cornice, nice, vallis, revise, rabbis, and lullabies. Of such puzzling words and nauseous, rhyming well with cautious torches. You'll envelop, least I hope, in linen envelope. Would you like some more? You'll have it. Affidavit, David, David, and abjurer, and perjurer. Chic does not sound like Jack, but ache. Liberty, library, have, and haven. Racial, lodge, mustache, 11, we say hallowed but allowed. People, leopard, toad, but vowed. Mark the difference, moreover, between mover, plover, dover, leeches, breeches, wise, precise, candless, but police, and lies. Camel, constable, unstoppable, principle, and discipline, label, petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surmise, plate, promise, pal, suit, sweet, run, circuit, conduit, rhyme with shriek and beyond it, but it was not hard to tell what's Pall Mall, but Pall Mall. Muzzle, muscular. Goal, iron, timber, climber, bowline, lion, sworn, and storm, case, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor. The chaos.